Yes, parents, now we will see how to upload files using PC or a laptop. So I'm going to share my screen. Here I have copied that Google Drive link. You can take this from the mail also, or you can copy somewhere. Now it will not open if I click here. So I'm going to copy this link. Just close it and put this link in a Chrome. Just paste it and enter. Now here I can see second A, second B and teachers work folder. Okay, 3 folders. If I am the student from the second A, then I'll click on a second, I'll open the second A folder. If I'm a child, suppose Veer Gandhi, okay, so I'll click on a Veer Gandhi folder. Now many subjects are here. I want to submit something about SST, so I'll click on SST. Already he has submitted something. Now I want to submit activities, but I request you to don't submit here. Just put all things in the proper folder like activities, assignment, notes, and the worksheet. So if I want to submit a note, so I'll click on the notes. Okay. Now if I want to submit notes, just here we can see minimize, restore down, and close. Restore down it. Okay. Drag that screen. And from your PC, you can select anything. Suppose it is in the downloads. Suppose I want to submit this file. So I'll restore down. Now I can see here 2 screen. This is my whatever is available in my PC. Okay, whatever I want to submit. And here that drive folder. So here I want to submit this thing. Okay. I'll click it on, hold it, and just drag this folder wherever you want and just drop here. Now it's uploading and it's uploaded. Got it? Suppose I want to submit this 4B folders link. Okay, click it on, hold it, and drag it. It's uploaded. If you want to submit so many things or so many pictures or so many notes in a time, just press a control and select it. Now you can drag all things together. Sorry. Just press it, drag and drop. Done. If you are completed, then you can check whatever you have submitted here. Okay. Hope so you understood how to upload the files using laptop or PC and phone also. If you are facing any difficulties, please send me a mail so we can discuss. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.